Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams on your app. So what you want to do is this. When you're here, you want to go to the left top corner in Microsoft Teams, click on your profile, and here you're gonna see edit image. So what you want to do is click on the words edit image. Oh my God. And then you can take photo, view photo, or open photo library, right? So right now I got a library here, and let's say my mom just sent me this photo of mandala with whatever, with a flower and sauna there. So this is what you do. I just clicked on it and voila, I changed it. So again, you go here and edit image, and this is how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day everybody, and goodbye. See ya.